Kumar Ketkar in the studio feels there is vendetta against the Congress party. Jaiveer Shergill feels there is vendetta against the Congress party. Of course, he'll say so. He's a Congress spokesperson. Mr. Rajagopalan, senior journalist, rejects it. Sambit Patra rejects it. I think MR is also joining us tonight from Chennai. MR Venkatesh is joining us in 15-20 minutes from now. So let's begin with an agreement. The agreement is this. You said vendetta. You prove vendetta. You said vendetta, Jaiveer Shergill. On this program right now, you prove vendetta. Is that okay? So we focus on vendetta.
Well,
no. He'll have to prove. No, he'll have to prove it's vendetta.
They will have to prove.
Yeah, they'll have to prove. No, tonight on the news hour, he has to prove it's vendetta.
Vendettas in history have never been proved. They've only been accused.
No, accusations without basis make accusations without basis have no reason.
In politics, vendetta is always considered as a major weapon against
today the Congress party is up in arms.
I am not saying
no. Congress party.
Sit back and listen to what the Congress spokesperson has to say.
No, one second.
Kumar Ketkar. I am saying vendetta has been instrument of politics.
Spokesperson to reply.
One second. No, you let him speak also. No, you realize the seriousness of the issue.
I have never used the word vendetta. I have merely said vendetta has been the political instrument ever since Julius
Rahul
or Mahabharat. Vendetta has been the major element of politics and history.
Okay, fine.
That's the only point. I am not saying it is vendetta.
But I am being specific tonight. I am saying a person called Rahul Gandhi says it's vendetta. So tonight, on his behalf, Jaiveer Shergill must prove it's vendetta. Mr. Rajagopalan, should we therefore begin with the discussion on vendetta? Is this vendetta? Yes. Do people watching the news hour tonight want to know whether this is vendetta or not?
90 crores loot.
So we want to know how it's vendetta.
Precise.
Don't prompt him. Don't prompt him, Sambit. Don't prompt him.
Loot.
We open the debate. My first question, and today, no prevarication, no counter-accusations. No diversionary tactic, no backdoor logic. You understand, Jaiveer Shergill, the vendetta angle. First of all, and my first question is to you. This is a court order for your kind information, Jaiveer Shergill. It's not a IT, CBI or ED raid. It is not a case of forceful arrest. You understand? I hope you understand. Rahul Gandhi understands the difference. If in the past actions of government agencies have been attributed to some political influence or the other, this case is one where your party leaders have been told to undergo trial by none other than the Delhi High Court. Do the Gandhis think they are a royal family? Are they under any mistaken assumptions that they are present or past monarchs of this country? That they do not have to go through the law of the land? And if they are made to go through the law of the land, they will block the Parliament of India and scream vendetta? Where's the vendetta? And whose vendetta? Are the courts carrying out vendetta? And can you prove to me tonight that the Delhi High Court is carrying out vendetta against the Gandhis? Jaiveer Shergill, prove your point. And after that, we open the debate. Go ahead.
Arnab, I will make 4 points and I will prove it to you it's a vendetta to your viewers, and I request everybody not to interrupt me, at least in the first opening remarks. Number one, BJP's every action and reaction on the case proves beyond reasonable doubt that this is a case which emanates from political vendetta. Instance number one. BJP does a press conference on a High Court order.
90 crores, you come to the 90 crores, Shergill.
Before even the...
You come to the 90 crores. Don't go to the BJP. Where is 90 crores? Who took that 90 crores?
I think Mr. Rajagopalan, let him carry on. No, let him complete his point.
No, he can't go to BJP, Arnab. He has to say where is vendetta.
He'll go where he wants to. You go where you want to. Jaiveer Shergill, a press conference does not prove anything.
This debate
Jaiveer Shergill understands...
Debate is on vendetta.
Mr. Rajagopalan now. Mr. Rajagopalan now. Please, no, yeah, let him complete.
This debate will get over in 40 minutes, but your health will deteriorate in these 40 minutes. Please take care of health. Don't scream so much. Let me complete my comments.
You looted 90 crores from public funds.
Let me start.
Party funds, left hand taken, right hand.
And have a look at your
crores.
age. You are fairly elder to me. I respect
crores,
you, but I don't want you to get some kind of ailment because of this debate.
Don't go about BJP or Rajagopalan.
Number one, BJP gave National Herald a political color by holding press conferences and declaring the Congress guilty of a case in absence of any court verdict. The BJP never does a press conference on price rises, falling export, farmer issues, but does it on National Herald to sensationalize the entire matter. Why so? The ED closed the case. The ED closed the case in August 2015. The ED case was reopened. Arnab, you did the debate on September 2015. Why so? When a closure report was apparently given. If this is not vendetta,
I have one question.
What is this?
I have one question for you.
In complaints,
I have only one question
and
for you.
sensationalism, let me complain, reflects BJP's vindictive mindset. Now, BJP is absolutely silent and the PM is silent on his tainted corrupt ministers and giving lectures on
Are you questioning the
corruption. Now, why did we disrupt the parliament?
You just say, are you questioning the ruling?
Why did we protest?
27 pages,
Congress
10 times.
protested in the parliament
criminal and fraudulent
to send a
acts have
strong
been done.
signal to the government that they cannot silence the opposition by using a dictatorial, vindictive approach.
Are you against the court? Are you against the court of law?
To send a strong message to the government that they cannot bulldoze anybody who opposes or silences them. It is a culture of BJP to slap cases on those who oppose.
There is no answer to the vendetta question.
No, 1 second, Mr. Rajagopalan.
We will fight
Mr. Rajagopalan, a minute. 1 second.
Also expose BJP.
Mr.
He has not answered about vendetta, Arnab. He has not answered about vendetta.
All right, just wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Just wait a minute.
Why are they disturbing Parliament?
Wait a minute.
Mr. Rajagopalan, in your loud voice, you are not able to hear anybody. Calm down.
Why are you criticizing court?
Hear me.
You come to the court point.
Now, let me tell you, no court has held the Gandhi family guilty. We will fight the case legally till the
she has
last
to submit
point,
before the law.
But we will also expose BJP's vendetta mindset. Why is BJP selectively target only
Vendetta by the court
now. Pull back.
Pankuja Munde.
Both of you pull back.
Nitin Gadkari. Where is Vyapam scam? Where is Rajasthan mining scam? Why is BJP turning a blind eye on all the corrupted
with Sambit Patra on the
ministers?
other side, please. 1 second. Can I have the screen back, please, with Sambit
Now,
Patra on the other side? We're opening the debate.
Now,
Jaiveer, keep your interventions limited. You have not answered my question. No, Jaiveer, now 1 point here. Listen, there are several people in the debate. You must keep your interventions brief. You see, Jaiveer, do not mistake an answer for a speech. I ask you a question, you make a speech. Okay, you made your opening remarks. You're the one batting defensively tonight. You're the one on the back foot. You're the one who has to answer a lot of questions, so I gave you more time.
3 points which prove vendetta.
No, anyway, now Mr. Jaiveer Shergill. Now Mr. Jaiveer Shergill.
BJP declaring Congress leadership guilty without even
Mr. Shergill, just pull 1 second, relax, Mr. Shergill. Mr. Shergill, 1 second. Sambit, 1 second.
Indulging in this rumor mongering.
Okay. Now, Mr. Shergill, take a deep breath, relax, and let me ask you a simple question.
I am relaxed.
Tell me that when Om Prakash Chautala, you know the stalwart Om Prakash Chautala, I think he's in jail now, isn't he? When he was convicted in January 2013 for playing a stellar role in the teachers' recruitment scam, who was responsible for the vendetta then? Please tell me. What kind of political vendetta was going on then?
Did anybody declare Mr. Chautala guilty before the court?
Answer the question. No, sorry.
The reason.
No, okay. Second example. Example 2.
In the manner BJP is
example 2. Example 2 for you, sir.
Guilty in absence of the court order.
Example 2 for you, sir. With my compliments tonight, sir.
Yes, please.
With my compliments tonight, sir. I have example number 2 for you, sir. An example which in News Hour debate after News Hour debate you used to come and keep citing vis-a-vis the Modi government. Because I am determined tonight, Mr. Shergill, to get to the bottom of this vendetta argument. Please tell me that when Nihal Chand...
How did Shahnawaz Hussain do a press conference on a High Court order without even the copy of judgment being available?
Will you answer my question? Will you answer my question?
Please get bottom to that.
Will you answer my question tonight? People are watching across the country. When Nihal Chand Meghal...
Yes, please.
When Nihal Chand Meghal, a member of the Modi government, was summoned by the court in relation to a rape case last year, your party, the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi, based on the summons, demanded his resignation. Right or wrong? Now that your party leadership, the same Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi have been asked to undergo trial over allegations of corruption, you are crying political vendetta. You understand? Please answer in the context of Nihal Chand Meghalcha. Please answer.
Yes, I will answer.
No, don't say yes. Answer my question.
Number one.
Answer my question.
Yes, Mr.
Unlike
Nihal Chand, neither Shri Rahul Gandhi. Yes, I'm answering.
Did Rahul Gandhi demand Nihal Chand Meghal's resignation or not? When he was summoned, did Rahul Gandhi demand Nihal Chand Meghal's resignation or not, sir? Did Rahul Gandhi demand Nihal Chand Meghal's resignation or not after the summons? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Then why yes, then and no now?
Because
no, I don't understand this logic. I don't understand this logic.
And
yes then but no now.
Protecting Nihal Chand and not even criticizing
Sir, listen to me.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi is not evading any investigation, not evading any summons.
Why yes then and no now?
Be available for the trial.
No, why
and come
yes?
out clean in the
you are getting now.
Nihal Chand is an ex-con.
Now, okay.
Rajasthan police is looking for him.
I would like to tell you, Mr. Shergill,
those who uphold the majesty of law.
Mr. Shergill, for your kind information, your leader PC Chako
sitting in Parliament and Rajasthan police is looking after him.
Sure. And your leader PC Chako on the 28th of June.
PM Modi is silent on Nihal Chand. Police is protecting Nihal Chand. Why should we not demand his resignation?
It's okay.
Nihal Chand is being protected by the government of the day.
Now we open up the debate. Mr. Shergill.
Yes, please.
The larger point, if you please allow me, because you complain you don't get today, you've taken the whole time, we're going to go to the others now. The larger point I'm making is please be careful when you say vendetta, because you could not answer my questions in the context of Chautala and Nihal Chand. Sambit Patra on vendetta charge right now responding. Please hear him, Sambit.
Calm down, Jaiveer. Let me answer. I was not interjecting. Number one, vendetta is the key word. Yes, sir.
Continue.
Vendetta is the key word. On vendetta, they've been shouting since morning. The debate is on vendetta. This is not a case of vendetta, but this is a telling story, a blatant story of corruption of Ma Beta. As to how the Ma Beta have done corruption, this is what, even if you read the 27 pages of the court order, you will find out. Ma Beta's corruption. Let me begin by the first line. What does the first line of the judgment say? The first line of the judgment says, probity of a legendary national political party is under scanner in these petitions. And let's see how the petition ends, how the verdict comes. 39.
Mr. Sambit
Para 39.
Before you run a Swachh Bharat,
you gave a rally, you had a rally, you gave a speech right now. Please be tolerant.
Before giving me lecture, BJP is systematically protecting all those who are doing corruption.
Please be tolerant to my views. I know Mr. Rahul Gandhi has sent you with an idea that you should shout and you should not allow others to speak, but please listen out others as well. Or else I will give away all my awards, my school day awards, saying that you are being intolerant against the court. You are being intolerant against the court. Listen me out. Listen me out.
Court trial.
I know he does not understand, so he's not scared of even the law of this country. He does not care. He's suffering from VVIP racism. He considers just as Mr. Robert Vadra, Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi feel that this is banana republic and they should not be scared of the law of the country. We know that, but please let me complete my sentence.
Where is your brother Lalit Modi? Where is Pankaja Munde? Where is Vyapam? Where is Chhattisgarh? Where is Nihal Chand? Your minister is accused of a rape case and you share your sheet with him every day in Parliament and you give me a lecture on this. BJP should run a cabinet abhiyan before questioning
Jaiveer, I don't think you're being fair. Jaiveer, 1 second, 1 minute, just 1 minute. Jaiveer, did Sambit listen when you spoke? I have one question. Did Sambit listen when you spoke? Or did he speak over you?
Everybody was interrupting me.
No, Sambit listened as you spoke, so listen to him. Listen to him. Listen and then respond. Please listen and then respond. The argument tonight is, by the way, Sambit, you are straying into the merits of the case. My question is on the issue of political vendetta. The charge is that this is an orchestrated campaign. Respond on that issue. You're not responding on that issue.
No, you have to understand.
No, you're not responding on that issue.
No, I'm responding. Wait, what the court has to say and why the whole Congress party, especially the Gandhi family, is behaving in this particular manner has to be understood from this 27-page document that is the judgment. The last line of the judgment, you have to read out the last paragraph in fact, 39, 3 lines from here. After having considered the entire case in its proper perspective, this court finds no hesitation to put it on record that the modus operandi adopted by the petitioner, accused number 1 Sonia Gandhi, accused number 2 Rahul Gandhi, in taking control of AJL via special purpose vehicle, that is Young India, particularly when the main persons in Congress party, AJL and Young India, are the same, evidences a criminal intent. You have to understand, Arnab, this is not a small word. This is not a small phrase. And if you go through this 27-page document, criminal intent is what the court has yelled at the Gandhi family. This beta, beta, in fact,
10 times.
are crying vendetta. 10 times the court has cried. From where, in fact, the Congress party is deriving its energy today is because of the mention of this
I
word.
think I'm requesting 1 second, 1 minute, 1 second, 22 minutes past 9. The argument continues to be on vendetta. Mr. Kumar Ketkar, the Congress representative, is not being able to prove to the people tonight watching the news how this is a case of vendetta politics. Where do you think Jaiveer Shergill and you are both falling short? No, because you made a... No, where are you both falling short? Why are you both not being able to establish the vendetta angle in this case?
I have not argued for
Because
or
BJP
against
is
the argument of
celebrating a court
vendetta.
order to
I have
score
merely
political
said
points.
that this is a political campaign.
So there is
and this is a replay, and this is a replay of 1977 to 1980.
Congress is
During
against the court.
1977 to 1980, Janata Party.
Congress is against the court.
Do not.
Congress is
BJP is misreading, misquoting the court order to score malign against Sonia Gandhi.
Misreading. If you have the court order, open up the court order and then debate with me.
The idea of vendetta came. The idea of vendetta
I'm saying tonight. I appreciate. But let me tell you.
Politics.
Let's go back to everyone on the screen, sir. The idea of, you keep saying idea of vendetta came back in 1977. If this is vendetta politics, then I want to know, and the entire nation wants to know.
Nothing came of that.
1 second, the whole nation wants to know.
Was proved.
Nation wants to know what about the CBI raid on Stalin's house days after the DMK pulled out of the UPA alliance in March 2013? Was that vendetta? When the DMK pulled out of the UPA alliance in March 2013, there was a CBI raid on Stalin's house. Was that vendetta?
All these things are political and politically motivated and political.
So when the Congress does it, it's political.
I have a question over here.
1 second.
Mr. Kapil
MR, welcome to the debate. Go ahead, Sambit.
Went on record to say that this is the dirty department, dirty politics, dirty tricks department of BJP which is doing the work. My question to the Congress spokesperson and Mr. Ketkar is, do they apply obliquely
to the question.
that the High Court is a dirty tricks department of Bharatiya Janata Party? How dare they say this?
I have never
it is
said
on
that.
record. It is on record.
You haven't, but the Congress party has. Congress party has.
BJP uses
Okay, Jaiveer.
to file frivolous complaints against the Gandhi family.
No. Okay, fine.
The Congress family, rather than governing this nation.
Congress will handle itself. I am not demanding
Congress fully
I have the written statement of Mr. Kapil Sibal.
We will fight the legal battle in the court of law.
Mr. Kapil Sibal said that this judgment is without any legal basis. Arnab, do you know what Mr. Kapil Sibal said? Kapil Sibal said that this judgment is without any legal basis. How can a lawyer say like this? That this judgment is without any legal basis? What is this?
Initiated only against Congress leaders and no case against any BJP leader. Why?
Go and fight it out on the floor of the court. Why cases are against you? Because you are the one who are
second. Jaiveer.
Why Shivraj Chauhan is free? Why Amar Singh is scotting free?
Jaiveer.
Why your brother in London is still enjoying champagne?
Jaiveer, don't talk of brothers and brother-in-laws. Don't talk of brother-in-laws. Are you serious? Are you serious?
Yeah. We know. Why does BJP's humanitarian grounds only kick for scamsters and fraudsters? For past 20 months, only a sinister campaign,
frustration is quite evident.
And targeted investigations have been launched against Congress leaders.
Why are you frustrated, sir? Why are you so frustrated? If you have anything against the Bharatiya Janata Party, the doors of the court are open for you. Go and file a PIL against the Bharatiya Janata Party.
You can silence the opposition.
Any minister.
Our voices will only get
Mr. Jaiveer Shergill. Mr. Shergill, I implore you. I request you.
1
second, Jaiveer, 1 minute. Jaiveer, don't do this. Don't have a parallel conversation when I'm asking a question, because otherwise people watching the news hour will feel that your only way to avoid my questions on the news hour tonight is to somehow engage in a parallel conversation with Sambit Patra, so that in the din of the noise that both of you successfully create, my questions get obfuscated. However, Mr. Jaiveer Shergill, I would like to tell you, remind you and convince you that if you want to compete on the basis of how loud you are, I can try to outshout you. Don't force me on that. Now listen to my question. Mr. Shergill, I want a Congress party definition of vendetta politics. If this is vendetta politics, and really for the first time on News Hour tonight, for the first time, though I hope not the last time, give me a direct answer. If this is vendetta politics, what about a false and fabricated charge sheet filed against former Telecom Secretary Shamal Ghosh by the Central Bureau of Investigation, as per the court that exonerated Shamal Ghosh in the 2002 additional spectrum scam?
Can I answer?
No, you don't have to take my permission. You're taking time to think. That's a strategy. You don't have an answer, so you're giving yourself time to think.
The court never opined in its detailed order that Congress party or UPA influenced or dictated anybody
what
to file a false or fabricated charge.
What are you saying? Please go to the judgment.
Please open the court order.
The court slammed the CBI.
Me lining on your show. I challenge anybody to say UPA dictated CBI to file a false or a fabricated charge sheet. Please show me one line.
The court called the CBI a caged parrot back then. Have you forgotten those lines? Caged parrots have been immortalized.
Have you forgotten those words? CBI has become a...
Have you forgotten? No, if you are technically debating this whole issue, then please quote. Please quote a single judgment which says that CBI under this government is not free. Quote. You are asking me to quote. I quoted you. I quoted you those immortal lines.
No answers tonight. No answers.
If you have any quote for this government, please quote.
Second question.
BJP leaders.
Second question. Yes, Mr. Rajagopalan, what are you saying?
Congress cannot answer on vendetta because they looted 90 crores. What left arm has done, right arm has been taken.
5,000 crores, sir, not 90 crores.
Who authorized Sonia Gandhi to give 90 crores?
You have bettered the case than Mr. Swami. Mr. Swami, in his complaint, nowhere said that Shrimati Sonia Gandhi or Mr. Rahul Gandhi benefited even a single rupee out of Young India. Please go read the complaint.
Only son-in-law and mother-in-law.
Keep shouting, but read the complaint.
You are shouting.
All right. By the way, nowhere it is not anybody.
By the way, Shrimati Sonia Gandhi or Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
By the way, no, 1 minute. Just one minute. By the way, Mr. Shergill, I would like to tell you, you are a good spokesperson. You are a young spokesperson. You are an enthusiastic spokesperson. You are a passionate spokesperson. But Mr. Shergill, think not once, not twice, think thrice before you ever question any facts that I present on the program. Because everyone knows about what happened in October 2015 when, in a huge embarrassment to the Central Bureau of Investigation, a special court let off former bureaucrat Shamal Ghosh and 3 telecom firms, saying the agency had filed, for your kind information, quote unquote, a false and fabricated charge sheet against the accused. And in fact, the CBI director was asked to make an inquiry against the officials. It was a false and fabricated charge sheet and there was no incriminating evidence against any of the accused. And that is why they were discharged.
Congress has no answer to this.
So, Mr. Shergill, check your facts.
Did they say
you're the one wrong on facts, not me.
UPA influenced any agency to file a
Congress means what? CBI is a case
no need of UPA.
CBI was the
order say UPA or anybody in the UPA influence the agency to give a
welcome to the debate, Arnab. M R Venkatesh, welcome to the debate.
Read it to me.
Welcome to the debate.
Who was leading the government at that time?
I am okay, Mr. Rajagopalan, 1 second. M R Venkatesh. All I have been trying to do is that I have been saying that the Congress party needs to make a distinction between what constitutes vendetta and what doesn't. You can't keep saying vendetta. On what basis are you saying vendetta? M R Venkatesh on the vendetta charge right now entering the debate at 30 minutes past 9. 5,656 tweets tonight at this point of time. One of India's biggest talking points, the Herald case haunting the Congress party. And the Congress party still maintains, MR, that this is pure vendetta. They don't want to get into the merits of the case. They want to look at it in terms of political vendetta. And Kumar Ketkar is backing them. You are
saying vendetta. I am saying it's a political campaign. And it is a political campaign.
That's a semantics.
It is a replay of 1977 to 1980 and 1989 to 1991.
No, Mr. Ketkar, you need to say that the High Court...
That's semantics. That's semantics. You know that's semantics.
No, what do you mean to say, Mr. Ketkar? Are you pointing fingers towards the High Court of Delhi saying that in fact the High Court of Delhi
is complicit
in all this campaign? Now, how can it be a political
merely
campaign?
saying it's a political
how can
campaign.
It be? Please explain how
it is a political campaign. Because the political campaign,
please don't generalize.
Began
Let's have a point-by-point debate on this. Let's have a
political campaign began.
How do you feel that the court is complicit in it?
But I never said that. Why are you putting words in my mouth?
That's what Congress said. But that's what the Congress said.
That the political campaign began even before the court order came.
Where even the court opines saying that it is.
But I never mentioned court. You are mentioning it.
That it is a
I merely said even before.
Do not agree on it. The court said not a political campaign, but a case of criminal intent. Why does Mr. Ketkar feel otherwise? I don't understand. You don't have to be so
I have not said court has said anything. I am saying before court said
towards the Gandhi family. Please be don't be protective towards corruption.
The campaign has begun.
Corruption.
So obviously it is a political campaign.
Okay, one sec.
It is obvious the campaign is political.
They were going after Narendra Modi. That is also a political vendetta. Ketkar, you have answered that.
I have not used the word vendetta. I have not used the word vendetta. I have merely said that everything that becomes political is personal. Personal is political. Let us face it.
Okay, watch.
Personal is political.
Where were you?
Rajagopal, where were you?
Watch.
In Madhya Pradesh.
10 years.
Mr. Rajagopal, where were you? You are a big conscious keeper of this nation. Where were you? Where were you when BJP was promised Akshay Din and they are delivering Bure scams on everyday basis?
Now you
doesn't your conscience prickle when 50 deaths happen in Madhya Pradesh? Doesn't your conscience prickle when Nitin Gadkari does a fruity finance?
Either I'm not getting something. No, one second.
PDS scam happens.
Jaiveer.
Why do you only wake up when you hear the name Congress?
There is vendetta.
So hypocritical.
There is vendetta.
Okay, watch it. Now pull back, Mr. Rajagopalan. Please, you pull back for a minute. Yeah, 1 second. Now my point is, someone needs to tell me about vendetta. Either I'm not getting it, or there aren't enough facts being presented. I'm asking tonight, MR, 1 second. What's my question tonight? My question is, prove it's vendetta and prove it on the news hour tonight. I'm taking a position, how is this vendetta politics when none other than the Delhi High Court, not Mr. Amit Shah, the Delhi High Court, not Mr. Rajnath Singh, the Delhi High Court, not Mr. Arun Jaitley or Mr. Narendra Modi, after examining the facts of the National Herald case, has ordered a retrial against Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi to proceed. Are you saying tomorrow that the courts of this country will first have to stand outside 10 Janpath and say, Miss Sonia Gandhi, we are the Delhi High Court, may we have your kind approval please to issue you a summons? Mr. Rahul Gandhi, you want the courts of this country to go outside Road and say, Rahul Gandhi, may I have your permission please?
Each and every member of the Congress party respects the court.
No, then why you are insulting the court in this manner? You are insulting the courts in this manner.
When BJP declares, when BJP hands down a guilt verdict before the conclusion of the trial, that reflects her before law.
Okay, MR is responding now.
BJP reopens a already closed case by enforcement directorate.
But you want to reopen Indira Gandhi case?
Okay. Rajagopalan.
BJP
Rajiv Gandhi assassination
reopens the case.
And turns a blind eye to BJP.
Okay, 1 second. This case.
More information from Sonia Gandhi.
All right, M R Venkatesh coming into the debate on the vendetta politics. Please, MR at this stage, taking on Jaiveer Shergill. M R Venkatesh, go ahead. MR.
Arnab, I just cannot fathom why the Congress is barking down the wrong tree. Here it has been caught with its leaders in the with their hands in the till. And they raised this bogey that Subramanian Swamy personally has some grudge with the Congress leadership, and this whole petition smacks of malafide. And the court rightfully dismisses that argument in para 37. It says, no malafides can be alleged against respondent complainant, nor can it be said that the summoning of petitioners is an abuse of the process of the court. Now, what else do the Congress people want? And these are not ordinary observations. These were very clearly pointed observations, remarks by the Honorable Court of Delhi to the objections made by the lawyers of Srimati Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. Now,
who are the lawyers?
Congress
Name
want
them.
that, as you very rightly
Who are
said.
the lawyers? Kapil Sibal and Abhishek Manu Singhvi. Now today they are saying that.
All that is there.
Yes, this is not breaking news. Everybody knows who are the lawyers, Mr. Rajagopalan. You are not giving any breaking news. So calm down.
Why are they shouting vendetta?
No. Let us come to the substantive issue. Let us come to the substantive issue. The problem is. No, 1 minute, Mr. Rajagopal, please listen to this. Para 39 nails them like anything. It says, after having considered the entire case in its proper perspective, this court finds no hesitation to put it on record that the modus operandi adopted by the petitioner is taking control of AJL via a special purpose vehicle. That is, Young India, particularly when the main persons in the Congress party, AJL and YI are the same, evidences a criminal intent. That is why the Congress is jumping like a cat on a hot tin. And that is why when you jump on a hot tin, you do not know what you say. You do not know what you're thinking.
Mr. Venkatesh, you are a learned chartered accountant. You are a learned chartered accountant.
Mr. Shergill, please listen. Mr. Shergill, listen. You will listen now. You will not interfere me. I didn't interfere you.
What do you mean you will listen now?
Please
what do you mean you will listen now? Don't dictate me.
No, you will listen.
Don't dictate me. Let me tell you. Discussing the court evidence on public media platforms is unethical and impermissible.
No, I'm reading from the order.
Jaiveer, no. 1 second, Jaiveer, don't say that. No, Jaiveer, you can't say that. 1 second. 1 second. You are saying I can't discuss the observations of the court. I am saying tonight, drag me to court. Drag me to court tonight, I'm saying. Drag me to court tonight if I'm doing anything wrong.
You cannot misquote or misread the order.
I am going to court. I am going to court. Drag me to court.
I am challenging you.
I am going to court. I will court now, right here on the news, I will court.
It is a matter sub judice between the court.
Don't tell me what is sub judice and what is not. That much I understand, Mr. Shergill. Mr. Shergill, you may be a lawyer, I'm not, I understand this much. And since you say, since you interrupt, since you challenge, I will now, forthwith, and I'm telling you, Mr. Shergill, drag me to court tomorrow if I'm doing anything wrong. I am saying that I am asking you that it is when the context of vendetta politics, it is the Delhi High Court, not the BJP, which has dismissed Congress party questioning Subramaniam Swamy's locus standi in filing the case. And the High Court has said point number 29. And let the viewers of the news know I'm quoting point number 29. And if you feel I'm doing a wrong thing, file a case. Upon evaluating the impugned order, the touchstone of judicial precedents, and in the light of submissions advanced by both sides, the court finds that the question of locus standi of the respondent complainant to maintain the complaint in question pales into insignificance in view of the fact that the apex court in Subramaniam Swamy versus Manmohan Singh has reiterated that the freedom of a private citizen to proceed against the corrupt cannot be restricted.
Yes.
That is the core. No, how is this? Where the vendetta? Mr. Shergill, let me ask you one thing. No, Mr. Shergill. Mr. Shergill.
We are within our full right to challenge this verdict. And
everybody knows
this verdict is not a referendum on the involvement or guilt of Mrs. Gandhi or Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
Sir, you have been caught with your hands in the lap. Criminal intent.
Can this order be read, misinterpreted, misquoted to hold?
Who is misquoted?
Who is misquoting?
How is it?
Who is misquoting?
Congress party will
misquoting
with all its might
carry the judgment.
And will BJP
just a second, Judge. I have a very important point to make over here. Mr. Shergill, please hear everyone else.
Okay, Mr. Shergill, listen.
As far as Mr. Shergill is concerned, as far as his arguments are concerned, similar arguments were made by two eminent lawyers, Mr. Sibal and Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi. Do you know what the court said to them? This is what the court said to them on para 36. Court is constrained to observe that the legal jugglery of words does not and cannot persuade this court to opine at this initial stage that the allegations made in the complaint in question do not make out a prima facie case to summon the petitioners. So please, learn from the court. The court, in fact, pointed fingers towards your eminent leaders, your counsels, Mr. Sipal and Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi saying that challenge the legal jugglery of words. Please don't have jugglery of words over here. Don't play with words over here. You have been caught red-handed. Now,
point number one.
Quite all the while.
Political points.
I know you have to please your bosses. I know you have to please your bosses, but please be quiet.
There are court findings.
Don't be
Congress party is within its right to challenge these court findings. We respect the court findings. Congress party is challenging. But these court findings cannot be capitalized politically to malign the image of Congress party.
So the Delhi High Court has said.
Nobody is going to tolerate Mr. Sambit Patra.
And this is going to hit it very hard.
Okay, once a para 37 being quoted by Sambit Patra, now let him.
It is very important. Please allow me. Look what the High Court says, Arnab. Mr. Goswami, the High Court says that the High Court should refrain from giving a prima facie opinions at the initial stage unless there are compelling reasons to do so. Applying the aforesaid parameters to this instant case, this court finds that the ingredients of the offences alleged are not lacking and sufficiently grounded to proceed against the petitioners. Just imagine, even the High Court says that, well, yes, though we know that prima facie opinion should not be given by the High Court, but such are the compelling cases.
Okay, Sambit, now Sambit not response. No, Sambit, stop response. Response from Jaiveer.
These are not final findings, so stop. So, Arnab, can I respond to it?
No, Jaiveer will respond.
Jaiveer is entitled to its view. Yeah. The High Court has given a finding. Congress party is well within its right to challenge these findings. If High Court has a view, we respect that view. Congress party will challenge the findings within the 4 windows of
Second, go and fight it.
You are repeating two things. That Congress has got a right to go and take legal remedies. This is only observation of the court.
To malign the image of the Congress party, it is a legal issue, cannot be given a political color.
Please come to the political vendetta issue.
We will challenge this order.
You are entitled to.
Political vendetta is this.
Come to the political vendetta.
BJP is declaring everybody guilty in the Congress before conclusion of the trial. Why did the ED reopen the case when ED had already given a closure report?
Then tell me,
you answer me that. Why did ED on what basis was the case opened
Supreme Court
when ED had given a closure report?
Are we not going to
only
discuss
because
any
Jaiveer,
case?
listen to the contrary side.
Only because
Jaiveer, listen to the other side. Jaiveer, listen to MR.
Please. No, what are you trying to suggest? That we should not discuss any political judicial development till it reaches the finality in the Supreme Court? Are you suggesting that till Supreme Court everybody must keep quiet and not debate, not discuss?
What I am suggesting is...
No, I know.
What I am suggesting
I know my name. You don't have to repeat it 10 times.
Anybody guilty, you cannot run a media trial.
Nobody has said that.
This show
media trial. Where have I heard that?
Somebody holding somebody guilty. Point one. Point two, you answer me, why did ED reopen a case which was already closed? Point three, on what basis is BJP declaring Congress leaders guilty? On what basis is BJP declaring Congress guilty without even seeing the judgment? Why the attack only on Mr. Chidambaram on wedding day of Veerbhadra Singh?
Please understand, here is an order.
On Shrimati Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi.
Please understand, there is an order.
Scot free.
Okay. Time for a time.
Why don't you go like Subramanian Swami? Why are you not taking example of Subramanian Swami and going to the court? Why are you afraid? I'm suggesting every day you are coming to this panel and saying
all of you wait.
Why are you not going?
My God, look at this debate now. 1 second, hold on please. 1 second, MR, everyone please. You give me 2 minutes before I go into the break. I won't let go of this issue, Jaiveer. I'm just not going to let go of the issue of vendetta. You raised it, you prove it. But do not, in this easy manner, this casual manner, this frequent manner, and in this dramatic manner, keep talking about media trial. What's the media trial? Rahul Gandhi talks about vendetta politics, we discuss it, becomes a media trial. I'm back in 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes, viewers. This debate is carrying on. Just 2 minutes. while rejecting the idea of a media trial. 7 more minutes on this debate. 7,124 tweets on India's top talking point tonight. Sambit, your hand goes up, but I start by asking the Congress party once again, in fact, Kumar Ketkar. Kumar Ketkar, how is this vendetta politics when the Delhi High Court, not the BJP, that has said that the allegation of against a party of siphoning of funds is a serious concern and questions the need of quote-unquote extending interest-free loans to a public limited company engaged in a commercial venture of publishing newspapers. These are the observations not of Amit Shah but of the High Court. So we have 7 minutes. I think at this point of time, Jaiveer, you're not being able to establish the vendetta charge well enough. I think, should Jaiveer be specific now?
I will be extremely brief. I have never used the word vendetta. I have merely said that all things become political and political campaigns. Between 1987 and 1991, Bofors was the main campaign. That was also media trial. Everybody
said, but this is get into specifics, sir. How is it vendetta politics? Politics is a very big thing. I am saying here right now.
Vendetta is also a big thing.
Sure. Big as in like.
I merely said political campaign is being conducted, and before the court order came, this political campaign had begun.
Sir, the Delhi High Court has said, and this question goes to Jaiveer. Jaiveer.
Delhi High Court, the political campaign began.
Jaiveer. How is it vendetta politics? One last opportunity tonight to you, Jaiveer. The Delhi High Court has questioned why a debt of 90 crore rupees is assigned and not liquidated, given that it could have been liquidated from AJL's assets worth 2,000 crore rupees. That's the moot issue. How is it vendetta politics when the court and not the BJP has said that allegations against the Congress smack of criminality, and this is something that needs to be examined in the course of the trial? I mean, you can't go around, crying wolf in this case when these are the observations of the court. And I am sorry, but I'm going to say tonight, you have not answered the I don't know how many straight questions I put to you tonight. Could you not have answered one of them? Answer one of them. Answer one. Answer the 90 crore, 2,000 crore issue. 5 minutes remaining. Answer it.
Yes.
Answer it and seal the debate.
Arnab, you asked me how to prove that how is this a vendetta. I will tell you 3 things, then let the viewers judge, and I'll keep.
No, you repeated the point. I am asking you, has the court said? Okay,
no,
simple. You answer a yes or no.
Has the court said?
Has the court said a debt of 90 crores is assigned and not liquidated? It could have been liquidated from AJL's assets worth 2,000 crore rupees. That is nursery level economics. Nursery level economics. Anybody will tell you that. Kindergarten economics. Does the Congress party, AJL and Young Indian not know kindergarten economics? The case of criminality, the suggestion of that is made by the court. So how are you going on and you are not answering my question? Has the court said that the transaction in question cannot be dismissed as a commercial transaction? Has the court said it or not?
Can I respond?
Answer, be specific.
Can I respond?
Okay, be answer. Yeah.
I am answering specifically.
Yeah.
I am answering specifically. The High Court has given a finding, made an observation. Congress party will convince the court in a legalized manner that these are genuine transactions made in good faith. Number 1. Number 2, why is it a vendetta? Allow me. I did a show on your channel before this High Court verdict. When the government and a political party prejudges the issue, declares the opponent guilty without even conclusion of investigation, is that not a vendetta? BJP has invested in a fund called CanStar. Shown its profit as business profit. Why has Mr. Subramaniam Swamy not filed a complaint against that? When investigations are only targeted towards Congress leaders and other, let me complete.
No, you are casting aspersions on the independence of the Indian judiciary. You are casting aspersions on the independence of the Indian judiciary. You are saying that the judiciary in India is party to political vendetta. You are saying the judiciary in India is party to political vendetta. You are casting aspersions on the Delhi High Court judge who delivered the order. You are questioning the elaborate judicial process with adequate representations made by both sides before this order could be arrived at. The point that emerges.
I'm repeating. Congress has full faith in the judiciary, but Congress doubts the intent of the government of the day that it will keep
No, Sambit, one second.
on the basis of falsehood and lies.
You see, understand this. Now, just give me 20 seconds so that I can say something to the viewers. The point that emerges is that
why was the ED case reopened?
You speak for 2 minutes. I say 5 words.
Nobody answered that.
Is this right? Am I Sambit Patra?
Telling you, making my last point.
Am I Sambit Patra? That the moment I speak, you have to speak over me? Please give me 20 seconds, Jaiveer.
No, that's what
the point that emerges is
Rahul Gandhi today.
No, the point that emerges is that invoking the words political vendetta in response to what is a judicial pronouncement by a high court in this country is an insult to the judicial process. You should retract your statement.
Nobody is doing that.
It's an insult to the judicial process in the country.
The verdict of the court.
You did it and now you want to pull back.
Respects the verdict of the court and we will fight the case.
M R Venkatesh.
Congress is alleging
M R Venkatesh.
on the political.
M R Venkatesh now. Closing the debate soon.
Even before the conclusion of the trial.
Shergill.
Congress party is questioning, sir, last point. Congress party is questioning BJP's targeted, selective, sinister campaigns against Congress.
No, sorry. No, I'll have to interrupt you now. I'll have to interrupt you now. No, 1 second. Jaiveer, one question to is. 1 second. Jaiveer, tell me that this is really the critical question. Don't avoid it. Don't run away from this. Please, for now, give me a specific reply. Was it political vendetta when Lalu Prasad was convicted by a court of law in the fodder scam? You said, Rahul Gandhi said, law is equal for everybody and the judgment should be respected. In the context of Lalu Prasad, Rahul said law is equal for everyone. In the context of Rahul Gandhi, it's not equal. So if Lalu Prasad is convicted, Rahul Gandhi says great. If Sonia Gandhi is summoned, he says vendetta.
Sensationalize or hold press conferences before the conclusion of the trial.
I am not sensationalizing.
Did Rahul Gandhi hold press conferences and declared Mr.
How many press conferences were you holding in a day in the Vyapam thing?
Closing the debate. I'm going to debate you.
How many press conferences were you holding in a day? How many press conferences were you holding in a day?
On Godra issue also they had everyday press conference.
No, watch it. Last point.
Everyday press conference.
Last point. This is going to seal it. This is going to seal it.
Arnab, they have to answer about 90 crores.
Closing the debate.
Who took 90 crores?
MR, you continue to make your points in debate number 2 as I wrap this debate up. As I wrap the debate up, I will make one point and I'll wrap the debate. Was it political vendetta when Bangaru Lakshman was convicted by a court of law in 2012 for taking a bribe? You welcomed the verdict, then it says expose the face of the BJP. Why refer to vendetta now? I thank you all for joining me on debate number 1.